This is the video tour of 9809 Bent Tree. This is in a gated community. Little mountain view over there. We have 3-car wide driveway, extra long so you can park additional vehicles, and then RV parking over on this side. This community does allow RV parking behind the fence, and it can be visible over the fence line. That's fine. The home does have landscaping included, as well as pool service. We have a formal living room, dining room at the front, and a theater room with elevated seating area here. It does have the projector and screen, as well as a closet over here. There's a coat closet on this side. There's kitchen and family room. Pantry. The floor plan is split with the primary suite over here, secondary bedrooms on this side, and then additional guest quarters over on that side. And we'll start over here with the regular bedrooms. Ceiling fans and shutters in each of the bedrooms. Large closets, nice high ceilings. Does have the tile floor throughout, other than the theater room and one of the bedrooms. So you've got 3 bedrooms over on this side. 2 of them are gray. One of them is this nice beachy blue color. This one does look out over the backyard. And then this is the first full bathroom. We've got double sinks in here. And this is the primary bedroom. Nice shutters on all the windows. Looks out over the backyard pool and the mountains. Large closet. Double sinks. All updated bathroom. Guest quarters over here. Have a large bedroom, big closet. This room does have carpet, and then walk-in shower, and pedestal sink. The laundry room. And then this does have a 2.5-car garage. Got storage cabinets over here and a storage rack there. We got 2-car garage on this side, and then about a 1/2-car garage over here. It does come with a water softener, gas water heater, openers for the garages. Nice big covered patio. Got a little grass area. Landscaping service is included. Nice mountain view over here. Big beach step. Nice little water feature. Fire pit. And plenty of parking behind the gate here for RV.